Hey everyone, welcome back. If you play Roblox, you know Robux is the key to upgrades, but what if you could get them for free? Today, I'll show you 2 safe, legal ways to earn Robux. Plus, I'll warn you about scams to avoid. Let's go.
Imagine buying items in Roblox without spending your own money. In today's video, I will show you 2 real and legal ways to get free Robux. Most websites that promise free Robux are scams and can steal your account, but the methods I will show you today are completely safe and used by thousands of people. So watch this video until the end, because I will also show you a small trick that helps you earn points faster.
When you search online for free Robux, you will see many websites promising thousands of Robux instantly. But most of these websites are fake. They ask for your Roblox login information and steal your account. So never enter your Roblox password on unknown websites. Instead, we will use 2 trusted platforms that reward you for simple tasks. The first method is called Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft gives you points when you use Bing search, answer quizzes, or complete small tasks. To start, go to rewards.bing.com. Sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. After signing in, you will see your rewards dashboard. This is where you can track your points and complete daily tasks. To earn points, simply complete the daily tasks. Click on Daily Set and answer the quizzes or polls. Each activity gives you points instantly. You can also earn points by searching on Bing. Just type anything in the search bar and your points will start increasing. The more active you are, the more points you collect.
Once you collect enough points, you can exchange them for rewards. Click on the Redeem section. Search for Roblox. Here you will see Roblox gift cards that you can redeem using your points. After redeeming, you can use the gift card to buy Robux in your Roblox account.
The second method works on Android phones. Open the Play Store and search for Google Opinion Rewards. This app sends you short surveys from time to time. Each survey takes less than a minute to complete. After answering the survey, Google rewards you with Google Play credit. Here is a small bonus tip. If you complete the daily set tasks every day, Microsoft gives you a streak bonus. This means extra points just for being consistent. Over time, this can help you collect rewards much faster.
Stick to trusted apps and you'll earn Robux in no time. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what you want next. Thanks for watching.